In this tutorial, I created 6 compositions. Composition 1 to 5 contains each one a different shape: square, circle, polygon, star, and cogwheel. All of them have a resolution of 220 by 220, and the background is transparent with an alpha to 0. The 6th composition has a resolution of 2160 by 2160 and will be our main project. Let's drag the 5 shapes to the scene window, select all of them and add a duplicator. On the duplicator, let's change the distribution to submesh and add a Quadtree shape. Let's drag the Quadtree shape as an input shape of the duplicator, and on the menu let's change the size to 2160 by 2160, the distribution to Fibonacci, the count to 51, radius to 0, and the size to 2160 by 2160. We can now add a few movement, a couple of keyframes. Let's go to keyframe 0 and create the first keyframe. To frame 249, and on the radius, let's change the value to 4000. This is the result. Let's go back to the duplicator, unflag the auto ID, and on the shape ID, add a noise behavior. Let's change the minimum value to -5, the maximum to 10, the frequency to 0.1, and unflag the index context, and let's change the seed also. Let's see the result. Okay, let's change the colors. On the scene tab, load a color palette of your liking. Change the background color. And also change the color of the duplicator. Let's see the final result. See you next time.